Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today I'm going to announce the winner of this hook set. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as always, I use the website commentpicker.com, and I go to the YouTube section of the website and I find who the winner is. So I'm going to go down here and I am going to enter in my link. Wrong page. There we go. I'm going to get the link here for this video so that I can have it take a look at the comments of this video and then pick the winner. So I'm going to paste it right here, and I'm going to filter out duplicate users, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click the Get YouTube Comments, and pretty awesome. I had 115 unique entries into this contest. So let's go over here and hit start, see who won. Ooh! Congratulations, Suzanne Goulet. I am so happy that you won. If you could just reach out to me at hookedtotheleft@gmail.com. And if this is the kind of content that you enjoy, don't forget to hit the like button as well as leave a comment and subscribe. Hope to see you again soon.